Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn or Grow. In this video we are going to see how to delete a row, a column and a table in Ms. Word document. So first select the row you want to delete, and then go to Table Layout. And there select Delete. And then Delete Row. Let's repeat it again. Now let's delete a column. First select the column and then go to Table Layout and then delete column. Now let's delete the table. First select the table and then similarly go to Delete option and there select Delete Table. Let's repeat this process again. So hope it is clear to you. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.